What's up guys? I'm so excited for this video. So remember how the last time I had Curtis from MyDesigns on for a live stream? At the end of the video, if you guys hung around till the end, he mentioned that they're working on being able to publish one design to multiple product types in a single listing. And guess what? He said that it currently works, that it is functional, that right now those of us using MyDesigns can go in there and do it. So that's what I'm going to try to do in this video. I have not tried it yet, so this is going to be like a true organic first take where I'm going to try to publish one design to, let's say, 4 different product types, and you're going to watch me do it in MyDesigns right now. So let's get right to it. All right, so I'm here in MyDesigns. I actually took an extra day to think about how I was gonna make this video happen and make it good. And I hope this is the right approach, okay? Instead of doing it the long way and kind of redoing a whole tutorial for MyDesigns, I went ahead off camera. I created some mockups. I set the title, the tags, the description. Here you can see that I created a primary mockup that's gonna be on a t-shirt, because I think t-shirts are probably the broadest appeal product to display it on. So that'll be the primary mockup. I then did a sweatshirt mockup, I did a hoodie mockup, and I did a long sleeve mockup. Note to self, I couldn't really find many Gildan 5400 long sleeve mockups online, and I was already planning on doing a video where I shoot my own mockups. So this morning I also ordered, well, a couple different products, but I ordered some Gildan 5400 long sleeves, and I'm gonna try to shoot a couple mockups myself of maybe Marielle wearing the Gildan long sleeve, and then maybe I guess I could also buy one for myself. I didn't even think about it for a men's version. Anyways, as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think if we're gonna offer it on 4 different product types, I might as well have 4 mockups, right? So I think we've got what we need here. And now in MyDesigns, I can begin publishing. By the way, just a quick refresher in MyDesigns, guys, you can do all of this in bulk. If you have the upgraded account, you can do it to 120 products at once. I'm going to only do it to 1 product at once because I think that basically shows you what you need to see in this video. And I have not tried this yet. This is still the first time I've tried publishing to multiple products. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure I have my products selected. Then I'm going to click publish, and I'm going to click products Etsy. Okay, now I just have to select my store. I'll leave it at clothing and then gender neutral clothing. And I guess you don't want to get too specific with categories since we're offering multiple different types, but you can also do your category selection here. And you can do that in Etsy as well. So it doesn't have to be done in MyDesigns. MyDesigns will just push the category to Etsy. I click validate and next step. And here I'm going to select the first product type. So I'm going to click t-shirt. I'm going to click Bella Canvas 3001. I'm going to click Swift POD. All right, I will leave all of the sizes available, and I will also then down here in the bottom over my shoulder, I will select the t-shirt primary, sweatshirt, hoodie, and long sleeve. Those are the 4 mockups that I've got, and MyDesigns also created this mockup for me, which you can actually cycle through the colors if you want, but I like my mockups more than I like this one, so I'm going to uncheck the box that says generate variants, and now my primary becomes the one that I had already prepared. And don't forget to select your colors, okay? So whatever colors you would like to make available, make sure you do that. I'll make it, you know, this design's optimized for a lighter colored product, so I might do like white. I think the natural color is good. Soft pink is good. Maybe not gold. Heather peach looks good, and ash. So I got like 5 colors there. By the way, you can do like color charts and whatnot for your products. I do recommend that, and then you can upload those custom templates and have it push it for you automatically in MyDesigns. How about the mint as well? Okay, so we got 6 colors available for the Bella Canvas. Next up, we need to do our Gildan 18,000 sweatshirt. So up here, I'm going to click this plus button, okay? And now it allows me to select another product type. So it's pretty nifty. I love how MyDesigns has great developers in general. Back-end developers, front-end developers, you know, like UI design. This stuff doesn't come easy. I spent, you know, eight and a half years doing this professionally before I, you know, let's say retired and became a YouTuber or whatever, whatever I am. So I'm going to hit Gildan 18,000 and I'm going to hit Swift POD because they have better pricing. By the way, I get a better price point because I have the upgraded account. So it's worth considering. And by the way, I mean, it's on sale right now, 30% off for life if you use the discount code in the description. So make sure you lock in the Black Friday savings. All right. So I hit Swift POD. Now I just need to select the colors. I want to select the lighter colors, so I'll do white, I'll do light pink, I'll do sand, I'll do ash, and I'll do light blue. And I will uncheck the sapphire that is selected by default. And by the way, if I wanted to have it generate a size chart for me, I can go ahead and select generate size chart and check that out. It can do it for me. And again, I can select the color for the size chart as well. So it's really up to me. And I don't see why that's a bad idea, actually. So I'm going to leave the size chart. I'm going to reorder it on the left-hand side. You see what I did there? So I reordered it so that it goes, you know, sweatshirt, and then it goes size chart. So why don't I jump back on over here to the Bella Canvas 3001 and generate a size chart there. I think that makes a lot of sense. By default, it selects the color black. So I'm going to switch that up to match my primary thumbnail, which is white. Perfect. I'll move that up. So now I got that, this. The hoodie, the 18,500, that's next on my list to add. So I'm going to click the plus sign again. I'm going to click the Gildan 18,500. I will select Swift POD. By the way, price point, I don't know how to go back without Xing out, but I just wanted to note that the 18,500 hoodie, I think the price point was like $17 for fulfillment, whereas the 18,000 non-hoodie was like, I think 11 or 12 bucks. So just make sure to price that in, guys. We'll set the pricing on the next step. I've only seen a demo. I have not tried this. I promise I'm telling the truth. So if it's going to work, I don't know, but I assume it will. But I'm excited for it. So I'm going to select the colors white, light pink, sand, ash, light blue. And I think those look good. So those are 5 colors. I will click generate size chart. I will select the black background size chart like we've been. I'll select the white color hoodie, and then I'll move that up. So now we just need to add the Gildan 5400 long sleeve. And that was the best color I could do. I was actually, before I recorded this, spent like an hour making my own mock-ups using other templates that I had made for me. So I actually made this mock-up. I bought that on Etsy, and I think it was like $3, and made that mock-up. So Gildan 5400 long sleeve. I'm going to use Swift POD to fulfill. I'm going to select, how about white, light pink, ash, and light blue. So we got 4 colors. I will select generate size chart, black size chart, and change that to the white long sleeve. Now, obviously, it's a little bit misleading that I have an orange girl wearing an orange shirt and I'm offering it and not offering it in orange. This is why I was saying that I'm going to shoot my own mock-ups, because the girl's actually, when you buy it on Etsy, is wearing red. All right. So I was in there trying to do my best, like, hacking ability of the colors. And that was really, I just kind of gave up after a while because I wasn't getting it like good enough. So either way, all right, onwards. So now we've got everything configured. Just one last check here, my primary. Then you got the size chart for the Bella Canvas 3001. The Gildan 18,000 sweatshirt, not hoodie. Got the size chart. Gildan 18,500. Got the hoodie. I believe, by the way, these size charts, guys, they should be accessible to everybody using MyDesigns. So if you're wondering how I got them, they should be available to you as well. Whereas these primary thumbnails, I think the primary one here actually is available to everybody. But this one, and this one, I had custom built. I mean, I went and I paid on Etsy for these mockups, and then I had them converted. Basically, you know, you can pay people to do that. There's somebody on Fiverr that I know of that can do it. And I think MyDesigns may make their guys available as well to do that for a charge. Anyways, that's how I did this. I'm going to keep moving on. Don't want to talk too long. I'll hit validate and next step. Here we can set the pricing. So the Bella Canvas 3001, why don't we make the price, and by the way, behind me here, hopefully my head's not blocking it. Actually, I'm going to move myself. I don't want to block it. Okay. There we go. OBS, the screen recording program, makes it easy to do that, fortunately. Okay, so here we go. All sizes, all colors, and I will just hit replace. And why don't we charge $19.99? By the way, I don't offer free shipping, so why don't we just do $19.99 for the Bella Canvas? I hit apply, and now I can scroll, and I can see that it is charging $19.99 for all of the all of these variants. Okay, and what I might have probably, I don't know if I should have done replace or increase by. Increase by is probably a better option so that you get your, 2XL, 3XLs offset as well, and you don't like lose money when someone buys a 3XL. So sorry for not giving a perfect demo, but I'll eventually have a course for MyDesigns where I'll give everything like kind of perfectly. Right now we're just doing a YouTube video. All right, Gildan 18,000. And I don't want to do the math right now, but you could do the increase by instead of replace, but let's just kind of fly through this. So the Gildan 18,000, while the image on the left did not change, you can confirm that this is the right product by just looking at what tab is active. when you publish to multiple products at a time. And again, I'm acting like an expert. This is the first time I've done it. Right hand to God, guys. Right hand to God, off camera. But seriously. All right, what do we want to charge? How about $29.99 for the 18,000 sweatshirt? 18,500. Why don't we charge like $35.99? Because I know it's like $6 more expensive. And then the Gildan 5400 long sleeve cost is $11.40. Why don't we charge like $24.99? I feel like that's fair. Okay. All right, guys. And I'm also charging shipping on Etsy. So I'm going to hit next step. All right. Now I can look this over one last time. Everything looks good. And I'm going to hit publish. All right, guys. So I'm here in Etsy. The listing is sent as a draft from MyDesigns, but you can see I've got all of the listing images. They made it here just in the order that we wanted them to. So I've got, the thumbnails that I had set up and the accompanying size chart. That's perfect. If I want to, obviously in Etsy, you can adjust the thumbnail and zoom in or whatever you want to do. Not required, but it's just an extra step that's optional. You can upload a video if you guys want. Title made it here. Everything's looking good. Everything is looking great. Got the tags. Scroll down here. We've got the different SKUs. Okay, so, or actually I don't see the SKUs, but no, yeah, there we do. So there's like an integer SKU, and I'm assuming that's how MyDesigns is going to recognize them when the orders come through. So we got the t-shirts here, sweatshirts, hoodies, and long sleeves. All right, perfect. So now I'm just going to click publish and see what it looks like on the final live product listing. All right, guys, and we have success. This is awesome. So here you can see the live product listing. All of the images are here in the order we wanted them in. Perfect, perfect, perfect. What matters most is the size. So you can see here under size, you have the various product types grouped together in order, by the way, which is great. And then the size options associated with them as well. So very intuitive. Like, I think customers can figure this out, hopefully. And then let's say I want a long sleeve t-shirt, size medium. Perfect. I then click the select color, white, ash, light blue, pink. Let's do white. And then I can add to cart, and it got my $24.99 price point. So this is perfect. This is exactly what we were hoping to see, guys. MyDesigns, like, I don't know what to say other than they're amazing for turning this around so quickly. It felt like it was just yesterday where I had Curtis on for a live stream, and he said they were working on this, and here we go. It's already live. It's already working. So check it out. Take advantage of 30% off for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. It's linked in the description. The sale is active right now. At least that's what I was told. So that coupon code, don't just click the link, grab the coupon code as well, and you're good to go, guys. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Drop me a comment below also if you want me to do another, like, maybe full tutorial of MyDesigns, if you guys think that'll be helpful, and maybe we can get that done in the future. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.